Can I use flour instead of cornstarch in a recipe?
Hello and welcome to our cooking substitution exploration. Today, we're going to talk about whether you can use flour as a substitute for cornstarch in a recipe. The good news is that yes, you absolutely can. But there are some key differences to keep in mind, which we'll dive into shortly.
What's the main difference between flour and cornstarch?
Let's start with the basics. Flour and cornstarch, while both thickeners, behave differently. Cornstarch, made from corn, is a pure starch and has twice the thickening power of flour, which is part wheat, part starch. So when substituting, you'll need to keep this ratio in mind.
How can I substitute flour for cornstarch?
Substituting is quite simple. For every 1 tablespoon of cornstarch a recipe calls for, you can replace it with 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Keep in mind that flour is not as efficient at thickening as cornstarch, so your end result may be less thick than expected. It's also worth noting that flour can add a slightly different flavor to your dish, unlike cornstarch, which is flavorless.
How to use flour as a thickener?
Using flour as a thickener requires a bit of preparation. While cornstarch can be added directly to the dish, flour needs to be cooked for a bit to remove the floury taste. Make a roux by combining equal parts flour and a fat, like butter or oil. Cook this mixture over medium heat until it turns a light golden color, then slowly add it to your dish while stirring. This will ensure the sauce thickens evenly without forming lumps.
Are there any other substitutes?
Absolutely. If you're out of both cornstarch and flour, you're not out of luck. You can use other starches like arrowroot, tapioca, or potato starch. These are usually substituted at a 1-to-1 ratio for cornstarch. So there you have it. You can definitely use flour instead of cornstarch in a recipe, but keep in mind the differences in thickening power and flavor contribution. Happy experimenting in your kitchen! We hope this video has been helpful and clarified your query about substituting flour for cornstarch. Happy cooking!